Hello dear colleagues, in this short video I'll explain how to use tradable bonuses with Libertex. First of all, we should allocate our bonuses from our bonus account to our trading account. To do it, you should log into your personal trading account, enter My Accounts tab, and there you will find different accounts that you have. You have bonus account, you also have real account on Libertex. You can have a new account on MetaTrader 4 or 5. When you are credited with these bonuses, you will see them on your bonus account, and to transfer this money to your main trading account, you should have for Libertex at least 80% of the money as real money and 20% as bonuses. For MetaTrader, this proportion will be 70% to 30%. For example, if you want to transfer $30 from your bonus account to your MetaTrader account, you should have at least $70 on this account. So you simply go to bonus account option, then you select bonuses, and then you transfer these bonuses when you see that they are available, and they will be credited to your trading account instantly. And after this you will be able to use all of your money in trading, and they will save your deposit in drawdown. I will show you how does it work. Let's go to MT4 trading platform. Here we have Nasdaq, and I will give you an example of a trade where the bonuses really could help you to stand against the market movement. So let's imagine that we are trading following the uptrend on Nasdaq, and we see a small consolidation after the market was decreasing during the previous day, and we decide that this movement was very strong. It has covered almost a week and a half of previous growth, and now we can simply buy and wait for the trend continues to go. For example, we're expecting to find out that the pattern 1 2 3, when we have impulse, then correction, retest, and then the third impulse will work. But in fact, due to some political economical situation, we see that market is falling down. But we have, for example, $70 on our trading account, and we are expecting for market to fall not more than $700. So we are entering at price 11,600 with the maximum capacity of our trading deposit down to 10,900. But if we use also bonuses, like I said, $30 of bonuses, our potential drawdown range increases up to $30 more. So we will be able to stand against the movement from 11,600 up to 10,600. So let's see how did it work in this case. The market was decreasing for a couple of days, then we see that it has changed the downtrend to consolidation, and we can see the resistances up here and support down here, and we can expect the price to bounce up after we beat this resistance level. Let's move forward, and we see that we are trying to retest this resistance level once more, but it doesn't work, and the market goes down, and we see that we are retesting this support level again. So here we can see this support very clearly, and as it often happens, the market simply goes to hunt for the stop losses of buyers down below this level, and then it turns back and goes into the right direction. The same situation we have seen here. So it's clearly understood that we have like a stop loss hunting here, and if we were using only our own money, $70 here, we would have lost all of our money. But we are using $30 of bonuses together with our $70, and that's why we are still in the market. We see the second wave down, and after it we can see that the market has stopped falling. We have some local resistance, and we should wait for the market to go above this local resistance to expect for it to grow. I can make this line right here. It's not a guarantee that it will be growing, but the chances are much more bigger after we go above the local resistance. And also it can be used as a signal to make an additional buy position when we see that the market has turned back. But let's speak about only holding position. So for now we can see that we are going to the second retest here, but we are not going below this level. And again we are retesting the lowest point, and for the second time our deposit is saved by those $30 bonuses. And what happens next? We can see that the market goes up as we were expecting after retesting this level for two times. After beating this resistance level, we were not capable to beat the next resistance level, so that's why we went down here. But this support is very strong, and it has now bounced back the market, and now we can see that the market is growing. So in fact we can hold this position for any amount of days or hours. It depends on the time frame that you analyze the market. And if we are pretty sure that we'll have the result, like I did in this case, that we will grow sooner or later, we should only wait for some time. It means that in this case bonuses are able to make us standing against the trend movements, even if we don't have enough of our own money. So this is their main role, and actually this tradable bonus is better than any non-tradable bonus, even if you're granted by 200% or 100% of the bonus that will be dismissed after you go to this red zone. It is worthless. But if you have the tradable bonus like we give you at Libertex, it means that you will be able to save your own money and to make more money in trading with Libertex.